In this video, I will show you 4 simple steps to promote affiliate products without a website. Hey, my name is Harshil from futurepassiveturn.com, and my main goal to start this channel is to help you build a full-time affiliate marketing business so you can achieve financial freedom. And if you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribe. And I don't have anything to sell at the end of this video, so don't worry about that. But if you want an instant access of my free affiliate marketing course, then check the link in the description below. So let's start the video. So the first step is to find affiliate products to promote. So for that, we will take example of clickbank.com. But the method which I'm going to show you in this video will work on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Commission Junction, any of the online marketplaces. So the method is same. So first go to clickbank.com, and if you don't have an account, then just click on sign up to create an account. But I already have an account, so I'm going to log into my account. And once you log into your account, so here is your account dashboard. Here you can see your weekly and daily sales snapshot. Okay, so first click on marketplace, and here you can see there are a lot of categories of products that you can promote, like business, cooking, employees, games, green products. But for this video, we will take an example of home and garden niche. So once you come here, then first sort the result by gravity. And here you can see there are a lot of different products that you can promote. But we will promote a brain training for dogs product because this is a very good product. And if you sell this product, then you will receive $31 in average if someone purchases a product through your link. Okay, so first you are going to research the product. Then first step, check the sales page of the product. So once you click here, then here you can see the sales page of the product. Develops your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behavior and create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. So this product is about a dog training, and this product helps people to train their dog. Okay, so first I will highly suggest you to read the entire sales page so that you betterly understand that what is this product and how this product will help your customers to solve their particular problem. Here you can see there are a ton of information about the product, and people also know that if they purchase a product, then what they will receive. So once you go through the entire sales page and you like the product, then you can start promoting it. And if you click here on an affiliate page, then here you can get a ton of resources that will help you to promote this product very easily. Here you can see the product creator gives you a lot of things that you can use to promote this product. See, there are a lot of information about the product, and the product creator also gives you the banners, free giveaways, email swipes, promotional videos, keyword ideas, and lookalike audience if you are running Facebook ads to promote this product. So once you select the product to promote, just click on promote button, and here you can see there is an account nickname, and click on generate hop links. So here is your unique link. You just need to drive targeted traffic to this link, and once someone click on this link and make a purchase, then you will receive a commission. Now in the second step, I will show you how you can promote your affiliate links on YouTube. See, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, okay? So if you promote your affiliate links on YouTube, then you will get a ton of targeted traffic to your affiliate links, and you will make a lot of sales. So in this video, I will show you how you can promote your affiliate links on YouTube without showing your face or even without recording your own voiceover. Because a lot of people want to start YouTube and they ask me that I want to start YouTube, but I don't want to show my face on YouTube. And that was the same problem that I was facing when I was starting my first affiliate marketing business in YouTube. So first of all, we need to do the keyword research to rank our YouTube videos. Okay, we selected a product about dog training. Okay, so in a YouTube, I will search like how to train your dog, and see, YouTube gave me a lot of suggestions of keyword that people are already searching. I'll select how to train your dog to bark on command. See, here you can see I find a ton of videos. Okay, and here you can also see I can also find a volume of the keyword and a keyword competition because I install free extension called vidIQ that shows me the volume and competition of the any keyword that I search on YouTube. And if you want to install this software, then click the link in the description below and download this free vidIQ extension on your Chrome browser. And vidIQ also have a paid plan, but now you don't need a paid plan. you can just start using this on a free plan, and in this video I will show you how you can use the free plan. And in this video I will show you how you can use a free plan of a vidIQ to do the keyword research. So here you can see this keyword has a medium competition, but I will highly recommend you that if you are starting your new YouTube channel, then search the keyword and find the good keywords that has a low competition or very low competition. Because if your channel is new, then your channel don't have any authority. So it's very difficult for you to rank on the keywords that has a more competition. Okay. So this search term has a medium competition. So we need to find some other keyword which has a low competition or very low competition. So we can easily rank our YouTube videos. And here you can see, if I click on this video, then in this video, in the description, you will see the link here. So this is the affiliate link that the video creator gives in the description. So if someone watch this video and click on this link, then the person will go to some affiliate offer, and if they make a purchase, then the video creator will receive a commission. So you also need to do the same thing, and I will show you how you can do this without showing your face or recording your own voiceover. But first of all, we need to find a low competition keywords or long tail keyword. So what long tail keyword means? The keyword that has a more than 4 words in the keyword. Because the keyword is long, then obviously that keyword has a very low competition. So you can easily rank your YouTube videos on YouTube search, and you will get a ton of targeted views on your YouTube videos, as well as you can also promote the affiliate products. So here you can see I found one keyword, that how to stop a dog from peeing in the house, and this keyword has a low competition. So it's a very good keyword for us to rank our videos on YouTube. Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can make the video on this search term without showing your face or recording your own voiceover. Now in the third step, I will show you how you can make a YouTube videos without showing your face. So for that, we'll use one software called invideo.io, and this software allows you to make a videos without showing your face or even recording your own voiceover. So for that, first go to invideo.io, and I'll put a link in the description below for this software. So you just need to click on this link and create your free InVideo account. And InVideo also have a paid plan, so I will highly recommend you to upgrade to a paid plan. So if you do that, then you will receive a ton of new features that will help you to make a videos even faster. Okay, but for this video I will show you how you can make a videos in free plan. So first go to InVideo and create a free account, and once you log into your account, then here you can see the dashboard like this. Okay, here you can see there are 5,000 plus templates that are pre-made that you can use to create your videos, and there are 50 plus themes that you can use to turn any text into video. I will show you how. First click here. Now here you can see there are a ton of pre-made templates and themes that you can use. Okay, you can use any theme, but for this video we will select this theme. Now just click on use this template, and once you click here, then you will redirect to this page. Okay, and here in option 1, here you can see if you already have a script, then you can paste your entire script here. Here is the headline and here is the body. Just paste your entire script here. Then what InVideo will do, InVideo will turn the whole text into video and image format automatically. You don't need to do anything. So in a previous step, we selected the keyword how to stop a dog from peeing in the house. Okay, so this is a long tail keyword and it has a very low competition. So if you make a video around this keyword and upload it on YouTube, then there is a very high chance that you can rank your video. So now we will make a video around this search term. Okay, and if you don't know how you can make a content around this keyword, then no worries, I will show you one trick. Okay, so first go to Google and search this search term that we found in YouTube. Once you go to Google and search this keyword, then you will find a ton of articles and blogs that you can follow. So I will click on this article, and here you can see this article gives me the 7 things you can do about your dog peeing in the house. Okay, so I will highly recommend you guys that don't just copy the entire article and make a video around, because it's not ethical and sometimes there is a copyright issue. So please don't do that. What you can do, you will just take inspiration from this article, okay, and write the article in your way, not just entirely copy the article and paste, no. But for this video, just to show you, I will copy the entire article and paste it in InVideo. Okay, so first I will copy the headline here. Just copy and go to InVideo and just paste the headline here. And here I need to paste the article. So I quickly grab some content here. Just copy, paste here. Now once you paste your article, then here is the auto suggested images and videos. So what InVideo will do, InVideo will automatically add images and video into the text that you write here. You don't need to do anything. So once you complete this, then just click on next. And here you can see the InVideo will show you that too much text for one scene. Do you want us to rearrange it for you? Yeah, so just click on rearrange text. Now the InVideo will automatically rearrange the whole text and you don't need to do anything. Okay, then after that just click on next. Now here you can see here is your script that you paste in InVideo. Okay, and see what InVideo do. InVideo break your entire script into different sentences. Here you can see, and it automatically add images and videos into the each text. Here is our headline: 7 things you can do about your dog being in the house. So if you want to preview this video, then just click here. And here you can preview your entire text. Here is your entire script, and InVideo automatically add images and videos into your text. See here, you can change anything that you want. If you don't like this video, then you can change it. You can change everything. Suppose you need to change this video, right? So just click on edit. Now here you can see you can change the position of the text from anywhere that you want. See here. And if you want to change the video, then just click here. And our video is related to dog, right? So I will write dog here and search. See here, there are a ton of videos related to dogs. Okay, and if you want to change this video to another video, suppose this video, okay, then just drag this video and here, and it show you to replace the video. Yeah, just click on replace and then click on done. After that, just save your video. Now here you can see InVideo automatically change the video that you choose. And if you want to check the preview of this video, then just click here. See here you can see the preview of this slide. Okay, so what you can do, you can just review the entire slides, and if you want to replace the video, then you can do it. And you can also rearrange the text. If you don't like this text here, then just replace the text here or somewhere else that you like. Okay, so it's very simple and very easy to make a video on InVideo. And once you are completely satisfied with it, then just click on preview all. See here you can preview the entire video. Okay, so just watch the entire video, and if you are satisfied with the video, then close it. Then just click on download, and here you can see you can download the entire video in 720 pixel if you are using the free account of InVideo. And if you want to download the video in 1080 pixel, then you need to purchase the paid plan. So you will get a full HD clarity. Okay, but for now I will click on 720 pixel and click on export. Here you can see it will take some time to render the entire video. Okay, and once the entire video is rendered, then you can download this video into your PC. Now in the next step, I will show you how you can upload this video on YouTube according to the keyword research that we did in the previous step. In step 4, I will show you how you can upload videos on YouTube. Okay, so for that, first you need to create a YouTube channel. Okay, and once you create your channel, then just click here and click on YouTube Studio. And here you can see the dashboard like this. Okay, you just need to click on create and upload video. Now you need to select the file that we downloaded from InVideo. Okay, but for now I will just select the random file. See, the video is uploading. Now this is the most important thing, that you need to add your exact keyword that we found here on YouTube. How to stop a dog from peeing the house. Copy this exact keyword, go to a YouTube video and add this exact keyword into the title, description and text of this video. Okay, so I'll paste here, and here you can see the add text. In your first tag, paste the same keyword. Okay, if you do that, then the keyword is low competition keyword. Okay, and if you exactly paste this keyword into the title, description and tag, then you will more likely to rank your YouTube video in this particular search term in YouTube. And if you do that, then you will receive a ton of targeted traffic. You just need to modify the title a little bit. So you can also add like 7 things that you must know, something like that. Okay. And in the description, the first line, you can write something like, in this video, I will show you how to stop a dog from peeing in the house in just 7 easy steps. Okay, now what you need to write, my number one recommended thing to train your dog. And now here you need to paste your affiliate link that you got from ClickBank. Okay, so what will happen if someone view your video, then the person will go into the description of a video, they saw this link, they click on this link, and the person will directly go to the sales page of the product here. And if the person purchase a product from here, then you will receive a commission. And here you can also upload your customized thumbnail. Okay, and if you don't know how to make a thumbnail, then go to canva.com. Canva is a free tool that will allow you to make a beautiful thumbnails. So first go to canva.com, and here you can see you can also design a presentation, poster, video, logo, anything. And I also use Canva to create all of my thumbnails for this YouTube channel. You can see here. So Canva is a very easy tool to make a thumbnail. So you can create your customized thumbnail using Canva. And if you go here, then here you need to add tags. Okay, so first tag is the exact keyword that we found on YouTube. Okay, and you can also tag a lot of keywords that are around the topic of your video. So for here you can also write solve your dog peeing problem, something like that, and you can get a 500 character that you can use to add your text. Okay, that's the main thing that you need to focus on, the YouTube title, description, and tag. If you optimize your video correctly in this search term, then you are more likely to upload your YouTube video on the search term, and you will get a ton of targeted traffic. That's all you need to do. Okay, and I will show you. Don't just upload only one video and pray that you will get a ton of traffic and you will make a lot of sale. No, this will not happen. You need to be consistent. Okay, so upload 5 videos, 10 videos, 20 videos, 50 videos continuously. If you do that, then you will rank a lot of your YouTube videos on YouTube search term, and you will get a ton of free views, free targeted views of the people who are already interested in a product that you are promoting. And they watch the video, they go to your video description, they click on your affiliate link, and they will directly go to the sales page of the product, and they will purchase a product and you will receive commission. That's the easiest way to start promoting your links on YouTube. And for that, you don't need to create any website. You can just YouTube for free to promote any affiliate link that you want. And this is the easy way. And you also don't need to show your face. So follow the entire step that I show you in this video. If you don't get it at the first time, then no worries. Watch this video 2 to 3 times. Step by step follow, and you will definitely get result. And if you are serious about affiliate marketing, then click the link in the description below and get instant access of my free affiliate marketing course. And if you learn something from this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel, because in this channel I will show you the different ways to make money online with affiliate marketing. See you in the next video.